Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Use 1 cup, 227 g, unsalted butter at room temperature. Measure 2 cups, 250 g, all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup, 100 g sugar. Add 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and optional 1/2 teaspoon ground cardamom for a Madras Samayal touch. Prepare 1 baking sheet lined with parchment and set a cooling rack nearby. Keep ingredients at room temperature so butter creams evenly. This creates a tender crumb and consistent spread during baking. Preheat oven. Cream butter and 1/2 cup, 100 g sugar until fluffy. Add 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, mixing until combined. Sift and gradually add 2 cups, 250 g, flour with 1/2 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt, folding just until no dry streaks remain. Stir in 1/2 cup chopped cashews or almonds for Madras twist and 1 tablespoon grated coconut if desired for texture. Chill dough 20 minutes to firm it slightly. Chilling reduces spread and concentrates flavor for uniform cookies. Scoop 1 tablespoon dough per cookie in space, 2 inches apart on the lined sheet to allow for spreading. Flatten slightly with the palm or a fork for even thickness. This helps bake to a consistent golden edge. Bake 10-12 minutes at 350 degrees F, 175 degrees C, until edges are light golden and centers set but soft. Cool on the sheet 5 minutes, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling so bottoms do not steam and become soggy. Store in an airtight container for up to 5 days or freeze for 1 month.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.